esteemed faculty members, proud parents, and my dear friends. It's both a privilege and a moment of immense pride to stand before you today as we gather to celebrate excellence, perseverance, and achievement at this prestigious felicitation ceremony. Today is not merely about awards or accolades, it is a celebration of dedication, discipline, and the relentless pursuit of knowledge. Each student who will be honored today has demonstrated not only academic brilliance but also resilience, consistency, and a commendable commitment to their goals. We are deeply honored by the gracious presence of our respected Chairman Sir and our esteemed Principal Ma'am, whose visionary leadership and unwavering support continue to inspire and guide us toward excellence. Their encouragement has been instrumental in shaping the academic culture we proudly uphold today. I would also like to extend a warm welcome to our dear parents, whose constant support and belief in their children form the foundation. This achievement is as much yours as it is theirs. To our achievers, I extend my heartfelt congratulations. Your hard work has set excellence. May this recognition motivate you to strive even higher and continue your journey with the same zeal and determination. As we proceed with today's Samaro, let us celebrate not just success, but the spirit of learning and growth that defines true education. To commence this auspicious occasion on a serene and positive note, it is a tradition to seek the blessings of the Almighty. A prayer dance is a beautiful expression of devotion, grace, and gratitude, an offering that fills the environment with divine energy. भारतीय संस्कृति में हर कार्य से पहले ईश्वर का आवाहन करना शुभ माना जाता है, जिससे वातावरण में सकारात्मकता और शांति का संचार होता है। इसी भाव को अभिव्यक्त करने के लिए हमारे छात्र छात्राएं एक सुंदर प्रार्थना नृत्य प्रस्तुत कर रहे हैं, ज्योति और सौंदर्य का अद्भुत संगम है। I now invite our talented students to present for the success of today's Samaro. So, kindly sit back and immerse yourselves in this graceful performance.
is our great honor and privilege to have you here with us today. Your visionary leadership and constant encouragement have been a guiding force behind the success and progress of our institution. On behalf of everyone present here, I cordially invite you to address the gathering and share your valuable words of wisdom. May I now request our Honorable Chairman Sir to kindly come forward and enlighten us with his inspiring speech.
आज के फेलिसिटेशन सेरेमनी जो ब्राइट करियर स्कूल के द्वारा आयोजित है, इसमें तमाम हजारों छोटे छोटे बच्चों के माता पिता एवं अभिभावक तथा हमारे स्कूल के विद्वान शिक्षक, साथी ब्राइट करियर स्कूल के मुखिया प्रिंसिपल रीमा शरण जी का तथा तमाम हजारों बच्चों ने जो अपनी कड़ी मेहनत और अपनी सूझबूझ से आज अचीवर के रूप में अपना रिजल्ट प्राप्त करने वाले हैं, उन सभी बच्चों को मैं शुभकामना और बधाई देता हूं। मैं उन सैकड़ों बच्चों को स्पेशली कांग्रेचुलेट करना चाहता हूं जिन्होंने अपने अपने क्लास में 10 टॉप्स का रैंक प्राप्त किया है। हमारे लिए दोनों ही बच्चे बराबर हैं। मैं इस प्रोग्राम को करके मैं ये साबित करना चाहता हूँ, मैं उन 1500-1600 बच्चों को ये दिखाना चाहता हूँ कि अगर तुम भी चाहोगे तो 10 टॉप्स तुम भी आ सकते हो, तुम्हारा भी रैंक 10 टॉपर्स हो सकता है, तुम भी अचीवर हो सकते हो, तुम भी स्कूल के मंच पे आकर सम्मान प्राप्त कर सकते हो। ये एक प्रतिस्पर्धा की भावना बच्चों में बलवती हो, इसके लिए ये प्रोग्राम आयोजित किया गया है। पिछले बार भी हमारे सैकड़ों बच्चों ने इस तरह से अपने स्कूल से सम्मानित हुआ था। आज के इस प्रोग्राम में हम ये बताना चाहते हैं अपने अभिभावकों को, आपके ही सहयोग से स्कूल चलता है। आपका आचार विचार, आपका घर में अपने बच्चों को समय देना, बच्चों के पढ़ाई लिखाई, कॉपी किताब, उसकी डायरी नोटबुक को देखना, ये आपका भी परम कर्तव्य है। बिना आपके सहयोग के बच्चा अच्छा रिजल्ट नहीं ला सकता, बच्चा अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस नहीं कर सकता है। स्कूल में टीचर 5 से 6 घंटा आपके बच्चों के साथ लगे रहते हैं, लेकिन इनके साथ एक क्लास में 40 से 50 बच्चे होते हैं और आपके पास 1 या 2 बच्चे होते हैं। हम जानते हैं कि मदर पहला टीचर होती है किसी भी बच्चों के लिए, घर उसका पहला पाठशाला होता है। लेकिन आज आपाधापी के युग में मदर के पास भी कम समय हो रहा है और फादर भी समय नहीं दे पा रहे हैं। उस कारण से बच्चों में एक विचलन आ रहा है, बच्चा तीसरा रास्ता अख्तियार कर रहे हैं, बच्चे मोबाइल पे लग रहे हैं। इसलिए मैं ज़्यादा नहीं, मैं ये कहना चाहता हूँ अपने सजग और विद्वान अभिभावकों से, पढ़े लिखे माता पिताओं से ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि आप अपने बच्चों को 1 घंटे का समय अवश्य निकालें अपने व्यस्तता भरी समय से। 1 घंटे अगर आप अपने बच्चों को देते हैं तो शायद आपका और उसका दोनों का जीवन बनेगा। स्कूल का नाम रोशन होगा, बच्चों का रिजल्ट अच्छा होगा, बच्चे आपके डिसिप्लिन्ड होंगे। हम भारत के निर्माण में, हम राष्ट्र के निर्माण में आपके बच्चों के लिए दिन रात लगे हुए हैं, दिन रात हम काम कर रहे हैं। आज का समय तकनीकी प्रौद्योगिकी और हाईटेक हो चला है। उसी के प्रतिपक्ष में मैं अपने स्कूल को भी हाईटेक करना चाहता हूं, जिसमें आपके सहयोग की आवश्यकता है। आज आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस AI का ज़माना है, आज रोबोटिक का ज़माना है, और इसी के तहत मैं AI और रोबोटिक का लैब भी मैं 6 अप्रैल से न्यू सेशन स्टार्ट कर रहा हूं। उसके साथ ही मेरा लैब स्टार्ट हो जाएगा। आज भी आप चाहें तो रोबोटिक लैब और AI लगभग 95% बनकर रेडी है। आज भी आप देख सकते हैं। इसमें आपके सहयोग की ज़रूरत है। हम बच्चों को हाईटेक बनाना चाहते हैं। हम बच्चों को ग्रेड 1 से रोबोटिक लैब में ले जाएंगे, बच्चों को ड्रोन बनाना सिखाएंगे, बच्चों को कोडिंग सिखाएंगे, बच्चों को कंप्यूटर पे काम करना सिखाएंगे, बच्चों को प्रोजेक्ट और प्रैक्टिकल परोसेंगे। बच्चों के लिए हम एक से एक एक्टिविटीज़ परोसेंगे। इसमें केवल आपका सहयोग चाहिए। मैं एक बार पुनः यहाँ तमाम बैठे हुए जितने भी अभिभावक हैं, सबों का पुनः ये स्वागत करते हैं, हार्दिक अभिनंदन करते हैं। हम शुक्रिया करते हैं कि आप अपने समय पर आकर अपने बच्चों के रिजल्ट का इंतज़ार कर रहे हैं। अब हम लोग अगले प्रोग्राम के लिए रेडी होंगे।
Today we celebrate the shining stars of our school, the young achievers who have made us proud. Let us begin the felicitation of our academic toppers of the academic session 2025-26. We begin the felicitation ceremony by honoring the tiny stars who have just taken their small steps. We are proud to felicitate the toppers of grade 1 to grade 3 for their outstanding performance. May I request our Honorable Chairperson, Sir, and respected Principal, Ma'am, to kindly felicitate the students. To recognize the outstanding achievements of our students, we have divided the toppers into 3 categories: Category 1, Category 2, and Category 3. May I request the toppers of grade 1 to assemble near the stage. Teachers, kindly guide them. I also would like to request all the parents of the toppers to kindly accompany their ward on the stage and celebrate the proud moment of their child. So in category 3, we have Jayash Kumar from grade 1X. We have Arnav Raj from grade 1Y. Arnav Raj from grade 1Y. Tejas Kumar from grade 1Y. Again, I am requesting all the parents of the toppers kindly accompany their child. Please give a big round of applause for our tiny achievers. In category 3, again we have Rohan Kumar Jha from grade 1X. Parents are requested to please give a big round of applause for our tiny achievers, our superstars, those who have just taken their small steps towards excellence. proceed to the second category of grade 1. We have Piyush Bharti from grade 1Y. Give a big hand for Piyush Bharti. Mayank from grade 1Y. Mayank from grade 1Y. Please give a big round of applause for MD Zaheen Ali. Now proceed to the first category of grade 1. In third position, we have Prachi Priya from grade 1Y. She has secured third rank in grade 1. Prachi Priya. In second position, we have Dev Kashyap from grade 1Y. Dev Kashyap. And now, ladies and gentlemen, the topper of grade 1, we have Pankti Kashyap from grade 1X. Pankti Kashyap. Nothing is written. Dimple Kumari from grade 2Y. She has secured 10th rank in her class. Dimple Kumari. It's my humble request, if both the parents are present here, kindly join your ward here. It's not that only mother or father will come. This is the proud moment for both of you, so please come and join your child. Father of Vanshika. Okay, we have father of Vanshika. Congratulations, sir. We are really proud of your daughter. Next we have Divyanshu Yadav from grade 2Y. Divyanshu, he has secured rank 8th in his class. Now we have Vedant Kumar, who has secured rank 7th. Vedant Kumar. Okay, it's a proud moment for us. Please.
ये जो आपके सामने वेदांत है, ग्रेड 2 का लड़का है, ओनली 7 इयर्स का है, और ये बच्चा पूरे विश्व में 203 कंट्री है, 203 कंट्री का कैपिटल इसको याद है। अगर ये बोलना शुरू करता है तो बीच में कहीं नहीं रुकता। और मैंने चेक के रूप में एक बार किसी और कंट्री का नाम हमने पूछा, यूगोस्लाविया, ये फट से उसका कैपिटल बता दिया। तो ये बच्चा काफ़ी प्रतिभा का धनी है। आप लोग का विशेष और आशीर्वाद इन बच्चों को मिलना चाहिए। ये बच्चा भारत का गौरव है, विश्व का गौरव है। थैंक यू।
Congratulations, Vedant. Bright career family, really proud of you. And here we have the proud parents. Now, in second category, we have Priyash Yuvraj from grade 2Y. Priyash, he has secured rank 6th in his class. Priyash Yuvraj. Hussain, who has secured rank 4th in his class. Give a big hand for this small girl, Sanskriti Sinha.
इससे बड़े त्याग की क्या ही उम्मीद की जा सकती है, और निश्चित रूप से उसी त्याग का परिणाम है। ये बच्चे यहाँ खड़े थे, इन्हीं बच्चों से एक कदम दूर बहुत सारे बच्चे इस दीर्घा में भी खड़े हैं। जिन बच्चों को सम्मानित किया गया, इन्हीं बच्चों के लगभग बराबरी पे कुछ और बच्चे हैं जिनकी संख्या थोड़ी सी नहीं है, 100-150 से ज़्यादा है, जो अंकपत्र हासिल करेंगे और अभी यहाँ उपस्थित हैं। बहुत सारे अभिभावक उपस्थित हैं, उनका परिश्रम भी सराहनीय है। बस थोड़ा सा एक कदम की दूरी, कोई एक कदम आगे चला गया, कोई एक कदम पीछे रह गया, कहीं तरीक़ों में, कहीं समर्पण में थोड़ा सा रह गया। उन्हें भी बहुत सारी बधाइयाँ, उन्हें भी बहुत सारी शुभकामनाएँ। जिन बच्चों को सम्मानित किया गया उन्हें भी बहुत सारी बधाइयाँ, और विशेष रूप से उन अभिभावकों को भी बहुत सारी बधाइयाँ। इसके बाद अभी जूनियर ग्रेड के और बच्चों का जो सम्मान है वो होगा, और अब आगे कार्यक्रम को बच्चे लेके चलेंगे।
Moving ahead, we now have a special performance that holds deep meaning. This presentation is based on the sacred verse, Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Param Brahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namah. This dance is dedicated to our teachers, the true torch bearers of knowledge who illuminate our paths with wisdom, guidance, and constant support. So, kindly sit back and witness this soulful and meaningful tribute.
pride to reflect upon the remarkable journey of our institution, the achievements of our students, the diverse activities conducted throughout the year, and the continuous efforts made to provide the students. Now, to present a comprehensive overview of these accomplishments and to share the vision for the upcoming academic session, may I now humbly invite to our esteemed Principal Ma'am to address the gathering and present the annual school report. Ma'am, we request you to kindly come forward.
A very good afternoon and a very pleasant afternoon to one and all. Heartiest welcome to all the guardians, and most importantly, our Honorable Chairman, Mr. Gautam Sinha Sir, who helps and gives me the opportunity to bring massive changes in the field of education. Education Guardian is not just about learning the black letters in the books. Today's education is crossing boundaries to reach out to a world which is changing every day. We as parents have gradually seen the changes. Today's children witness changes every day. In order to have your children cope up with the fast-moving world of education and technology, we need the support of parents. Without the esteemed parents, without your guidance, without your cooperation, without your dedication, and most importantly, without your time, we cannot change your child. As a principal, I face umpteen problems where the guardians many a times are not ready to accept that their child could be doing something that they don't know about. From this stage today, amongst thousands of guardians and students sitting here, I beg of you, I request you, I plead to you to please always remember that the school is working for the betterment and achievement of your child. We at Bright Career, with the unconditional support of Gautam Sinha Sir, who never ever stops us from touching the skies, you will always see that Bright Career is the pioneer of many changes brought in Purnia today. Let's talk about beginning with academics. School is a place of academics. It's understood that you have to study the ABCD and the science and the maths. But is your child able to spell? You will see that most of the toppers or the world famous people are dropouts of universities. This is for the 90% guardians sitting here who feel that their child could be on the stage receiving the prize. No, your child could be a very, very important personality in the days to come. But for this, we need your cooperation, we need your help, we need your guidance, and we need your time for your child. We at Bright Career, at every step are changing things. If you would have seen, we have changed the pattern of the question papers. We see that students are getting worksheets. We see that students, when on leave, are getting questions through the WhatsApp groups. We are always willing to see that your child performs better wholly. In this concept, we have organized, we don't have a science exhibition. In Bright Career, we have Synergy. What is Synergy? Synergy is an amalgamation of all the subjects put together. Not only science, arts, history, geography, economics, pol science, all together makes that wonderful exhibition called Synergy, which was graced by reputed people and guardians of my school. The Sports Day is here to bring about changes, to bring a spirit of giving, taking, caring, and learning to face loss and failure gracefully. Because failures, as we all know, are pillars to success. We at Bright Career stand very firm on English. People say bilingual, CBSE says, but no and no, because we at Bright Career firmly believe Hindi can be learnt at home, since that is the mother tongue of 99 to 100% students here. But English is our forte, because English is the only language that takes you a long way ahead. I'm sorry to say this, but this is a fact of the world. English is important. If you don't learn it at school, you learn it nowhere. So at Bright Career, this is another prime focus in our school. Elocutions, debates, and cultural activities again form the forte of Bright Career. We have very disciplined students with very disciplined classrooms. And every day, every minute, with the changing world of AI, ChatGPT, robotics, data management, coding, computing, we are trying to make major changes in the history of Bright Career. We have given actors, IAS officers, engineers, doctors, lawyers, fashion technologists, tourist managers, hotel management, and our students are all over the world. And we, my teachers, whom I can never forget, the people who stand by us to make Bright Career a different school. And we are different, and I'm sure you'll agree with me that Bright Career definitely focuses on things that is needed for the development and betterment of your child. On this note, without taking much time, we have a lot of things planned for the next academic year. The only two things I'm asking my guardians, and I humbly hope you give it to me: attendance of your child. Attendance is very important. And second, cooperation and time, understanding of the teachers. Please respect the teachers, because if you respect my teachers, the students respect them, and if the respect is mutual, we reach great heights. On this note, I move ahead with the program, hoping that in the days to come, all the parents will cooperate with us to take Bright Career to the highest possible heights. Thank you.
Thank you, Principal Ma'am, for your inspiring and insightful report. I request to secure 10th rank in her class, Aditi Mehta. MD Arhan Hassan. It's my humble request to all the parents to kindly accompany their child. It's a proud moment for you too. Give a huge round of applause. We have Rishabh Raj, who has secured 9th rank in his class. Rishabh Raj. Udit Kumar. secured 7th rank. Moving towards the category 2, we have Jagriti Kumari, who has secured 6th rank in her class. Jagriti Kumari.
Delightful segment of today's program, a vibrant dance performance prepared by our talented students. Get ready to witness an energetic and captivating presentation that beautifully showcases their creativity, coordination, and passion for dance. Kindly enjoy the performance and encourage them with your warm applause.
What an energetic and vibrant performance.
अभी उनका एक ग्रुप फ़ोटो होना है, तो वो जिनका भी सम्मान अभी हुआ है वो सब रुकेंगे, फिर ग्रुप फ़ोटो के बाद आप लोग जा सकते हैं। एक बार फिर से आपका धन्यवाद।
To kindly be on the stage for your photography.
respected Principal Ma'am for her constant support, encouragement, and visionary leadership. A special thanks to dear parents for their unwavering support and trust in this institution. Congratulations once again to all the achievers. Your hard work and dedication truly deserves recognition. Keep striving for excellence. Last but not the least, I thank each one of you present here for being part of this Samaro and making it memorable.